Oh, I hit him.
Oh, he just hit me.
Draw it up. Out of your 2 tricks. There you go.
Now right out.
Oh yeah.
That's not fair.
1, 2. Oh. Burial. Burial. Yeah, one.
Exclusive.
Oh, I hit him. I hit him.
Are you okay?
All right, today we're gonna be doing a little competition against me and Jude. We're gonna draw from this hat right here, and the blue ones are tricks I'm gonna do, which are harder, and the yellow ones are easier tricks that he's gonna do. This is pro versus beginner, and yeah, we're gonna compete and see who gets it. First one to collect all 3 bands wins the game, and yeah, you can go pick up your Gorilla Snaps hat right here, black and white. And your bands on GorillaSnaps.com. Go check that out.
No, wait. We got 10,000 subscribers. We got to pull you off the porch.
We did.
Ready?
Ready? Go. Oh, my foot.
You okay?
Oh, God.
All right, let me see these. Shake them up again. Shake it up again. Shake it up and draw it.
Like 4 tricks.
All right,
There's
guys.
so many blue tricks.
You got 180.
That's so easy.
Which one?
All right,
Which one
what
is
are you
that?
getting? What are you getting now?
Oh, I'll take them too. Double varial.
Oh, double burial. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
look,
doable.
right
That's
here.
doable. Where you gonna do that?
That's wet, so right here.
You do it on the grass?
Yeah, I do it with both things in my
All right.
hands.
All right. Here we go. Where are you gonna do it at? Right here. How are you gonna do it?
I just did it.
That was pretty.
Does that count?
I mean, he kind of went.
I mean, he did a 180.
Nah, I did a 180.
Do it on the concrete, bruh. Do it on the
Go
concrete.
right here. Come in.
I can't do it on the
Right out.
concrete.
Right out switch.
There you
Now
go.
right out.
There it is.
Oh, okay. You get it. That's a 180.
Good. All right, my turn.
All right.
What is a double varial?
Burial.
No, or
Like
you could
all the way around or
No.
varial back?
Or no, look.
Simple burial and a burial back. Like,
Will he do it, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah, okay.
sounds pretty easy.
Okay.
Will this man do a double burial?
I want to make it harder.
Just do it.
Ah. Ah.
Oh.
Ah.
All right, he didn't do the trick.
Oh, he did it. He did more than the trick. All right.
So nobody's losing a band there. We made it. Got it. Let's do another one. Draw it up. Draw it up. Out of your 2 tricks.
All right, here. Put this one back.
Take that one. Hold that. What'd you get?
I got a burial.
Please.
Huh?
I got a burial.
You got a burial?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
360.
360.
All right, you want to go first?
Oh
me
my
go.
God.
Okay, just a bear. Okay. I bet. Oh yeah.
Oh! Quit while you're ahead. Good job.
All right, give me a...
All right, you get to pick the terrain.
Okay, I want to go soft, slick ground.
Slick ground.
There's an
Oh,
alarm.
the alarm's going on.
There's an alarm. Get it quick and
Hit
get out.
it, hit it, hit it. Yeah!
Take it. Does that count?
No. He missed it twice, though.
It took you a minute to get your 180. But
No, wait. I gotta show you something. No one sold the clip. Thank you.
I hold it.
No one sold the clip.
all right, let's go.
Come on.
All right, what's crazy is he drew 2
Give
easy
me rock
tricks so far.
slide. Please be rock slide.
All right, let's get it.
Please be rock slide. Yes!
You got rock slide?
I got
rock slide, bro. What the? No,
Rock slide.
I think this one's shove it.
No.
I think it's shove it.
Nah, it's like I'm not gonna hit the rock slide. It's so
Just shove it, bro.
Shove it. These aren't easy.
No, they're not. They're not.
Oh. He's selling the clip.
He sold the clip.
He's selling the dynamo.
So do I get a ban? What?
That was not a rock slide.
There was no rocks there.
No,
there
you
was
didn't.
no rocks.
I didn't see a wheel kick.
Oh, well, you want to see a wheel?
A wheel did not kick. I don't.
How is that not a rock slide?
That's a rock slide.
Exactly.
But you missed your first.
There was
That
no
wasn't a
rocks.
rock slide either. That's just spinning the wheel.
Show me what a rock slide is. What?
You gotta actually slide. Not tail drag.
You said what?
He kicks rocks.
What?
He kicked rocks.
That's kicking
All right.
rocks.
Comment below. Was that?
You gotta,
Listen.
like, you gotta tail with it. Like, you gotta actually.
Okay.
It's a rock slide. How? Look.
That's the video.
Alright, comment down below. Is that a rock slide?
Jude's up by 1, right?
Yeah, he's up one.
Jude's up 1. Okay, let's roll.
It's the last one.
Hold on, one at a time. One at a time.
How'd you do that? Toe tap.
Show it. Toe tap. All right. What do you got?
A multi-toe tap.
Oh, multi-toe tap.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Toe tap versus multi-toe tap.
You gotta do 6 toe taps at least.
No, multi's 2.
That's not.
Anything over 1.
That's not fair. That's not fair. I
Alright.
can do that.
You have to do one.
You can do what? All you gotta do is 1. Come here.
That's not fair. Like it's making it easier.
Oh, that's not the try.
Let me get my band. Let me get my band. Let me get my
See,
band.
look, I was gonna do like
Let me get
5
my
bands.
band.
Like, no, that's a wrap. That's
Let me
like,
get my band.
I say we go to a tiebreaker.
What's the tiebreaker?
I don't know. We gotta figure it out.
All right, guys. So as you can see, I got my band back from that last trick that he missed, and yeah, we're gonna go to a tiebreaker. So the tiebreaker is we're gonna both pick 2 tricks that we got to do out of our things. We got to land 2 tricks and see what happens.
Which 2 tricks are you gonna hit, Jude?
180 varial probably.
180 varial. What are you gonna hit?
Can I do a 180 varial?
You gotta do it in your bag of tricks.
I don't even know what's in my bag of tricks. But give me your
180,
pocket.
180 is not in your bag of tricks.
In the double varial, I can hit double varial,
360.
double varial
Double toe tap.
to a
varial.
double toe tap, double toe tap to double varial.
Whoever hits this wins.
Yeah,
And loser does what?
I don't know. I dare. We'll make that up in a minute.
All right, here we go.
What?
What are you gonna do?
Double toe tap, double varial.
Double toe tap, double varial.
All right, let's get it. 1, 2, up. Varial, varial.
I feel like that trick
Toe
was
tap.
stretched. That trick was stretched out. 180 varial.
A 180 varial. Okay. A 180 and then a varial. There's a 180.
Oh,
All right.
oh,
Hold up.
Give him another chain.
oh.
Hold up. Technical difficulties. Tactical difficulties.
180.
Oh, okay.
That's not a 180.
180.
That's not a 180.
That's a 180.
Bro, you gotta go
All right,
backwards
there you go. 180.
Wait, hold up.
to varial.
Oh!
I was on it.
No. No, you didn't hit that.
All right, you know what?
We want to see if this play meets the criteria for a flagrant.
Okay, we'll give you a couple of looks, man.
Real speed. On that back. Go slow. He's behind the backboard trying to jump back.
Ruling on the field stands. He did not hit it.
No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rigged. You want to talk about rigged?
Yes.
You had rock slide. I had shove it. You want to talk about rigged?
All right, here we go.
And
Got
plus,
it, Mike. Let's go.
all right.
Here it is.
You want to watch me jump him?
All right. Because you what? What happened?
Because I lost. I gotta get jumped by the windmill.
Okay, here we go.
Can you give me sunglasses, bro?
Get your sunglasses.
Yeah.
Can I just go?
Put these on. Put these on.
I can't see. I have to. For the views. One small step for mankind, one giant leap for Barilla Snaps. Let's go.
Yeah, one.
Dude, it's tight. You better tuck in. You better tuck in tight.
No, put your arm under
Here
you.
we go. You better tuck in tight.
Put the
that
arm under you.
Arm underneath you. You ready? Yeah. Okay. He's ready. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh!
Let's go again. Let's go again.
Run it back.
Run it back. Run it back.
Run it back.
Hey, get the low view. Get the low view like that.
I got it. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh, I hit him. I hit him.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hit by the board. Oh, God.
Why don't you give him 5?
No, he just hit me.